Chapter 12. Pollution. Get into. Tell us how the following activities cause harm to the environment in a phrase. The environment is our surroundings, which includes everything like land, water, air, living beings, etc. Our environment is changing on a day to day basis, which is affecting the quality of life. The cause of these undesirable changes in our environment is pollution. Pollution is the undesirable change in the state of our environment that brings down the quality of life. In general, pollution is the activity of disturbing the natural system and balance of an environment. Types of pollution. There are many types of pollution, but four of them have the most perilous effect on our life: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is perhaps the most common and the most dangerous type of pollution. It involves the direct release of chemicals into the environment. The chemicals then become a part of the air around us that we all take in. Sources: burning of fossil fuels, smoke from industries and vehicles, decomposed garbage in landfills, forest fires, volcanic ash, etc. Effects: it affects human health, causing breathing problems and promotes cancer. It corrodes statues and buildings. It damages crops and forests. It also affects aquatic life. Infomine. The major air polluting industries are iron, steel, and cement. Find and answer. What do you understand by pollutants? Some major effects of pollution are acid rain. Rain droplets mix with harmful gases present in our environment and fall as acid rain. It causes widespread damage to the environment. The production of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide is the cause of formation of acid rain. It vanishes the nutrients from our soil, minimizes the growth of trees, affects wildlife, and wears and tears buildings. Global warming. The increase in the average temperature of the atmosphere, oceans, and other land masses of Earth refers to global warming. The cause of global warming is the release of carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere, which traps the sun's heat and does not allow it to escape. This heat increases the temperature of the Earth and results in global warming. It is also called the greenhouse effect. This high temperature melts the polar ice caps and glaciers, as well as warms the oceans and raises the sea level. Ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer is a belt of ozone gas above the Earth and serves as a shield from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. The ozone layer is depleting due to the pollution causing chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, chlorine, and bromine. Such depletion and holes in the ozone layer allows a large amount of ultraviolet rays to reach the Earth, which causes skin cancer, cataracts in humans, and also harms wildlife. It also affects the plant kingdom and our food chains. Info mine. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, is a chemical found in aerosol used by industrialized nations and is the primary source of ozone depletion. Find and answer. What are the other warming gases which form ozone holes? Control of air pollution by limiting the quantity of pollutants, by using filters in automobiles and scrubbers in industrial plants, by planting more and more trees, by using CNG vehicles instead of petrol, diesel, or pollution check vehicles. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like our oceans, rivers, streams, lakes, or underground water by harmful substances, which results in damage of quality of life of aquatic habitats and also human beings. Water is necessary for all living organisms. They cannot survive if they drink water that contains harmful substances. Sources: sewage, household waste, industrial waste, and agricultural chemicals. Chemicals and oils used for fuel, plastic items, excessive use of chemicals like DDT, chemical wastes, soil erosion, etc., to kill insects, which harms crops. Effects: damages the quality of life of aquatic plants and animals. Human intake of this water leads to many diseases like diarrhea, liver and kidney damage, etc. Info mine: the most polluted river in the world is the Citarum River in Indonesia. Almost 500 industries dump waste directly in it every day. Control of water pollution: by limiting the supply of waste in water bodies. Some major steps towards its control are water purification before drinking, water treatment plants and wastewater treatment plants, urban and industrial sewage treatment plants. These steps help much in controlling water pollution. Soil pollution: soil pollution is the building up of toxic chemicals, disease causing organisms, or many harmful substances which reduce the quality of soil and affect plant and animal life. Causes: treating soil with chemical fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, etc., interfere with the natural process of soil and destroys its quality. Improper irrigation practices with poorly drained soil also results in soil pollution. Effects: reduced soil fertility, reduced nitrogen fixation, larger loss of soil and nutrients, deposition of silt in tanks and reservoirs, reduced crop field, imbalance in soil, fauna, and flora. Control of soil pollution: by limiting the use of fertilizers, pesticides, and fungicides, proper irrigation practices, ban on use of plastic bags, ban on deforestation, by encouraging forest replantation programs. Noise pollution: noise pollution is excessive. It displeases humans, animals, or machines, creating environmental noise that disrupts the activity or balance of human and animal life. Sources: noise from traffic, railway stations, aircrafts, industries, etc. Effects: deafness, stress, high blood pressure, sleeplessness, distraction, and loss of productivity. Control of noise pollution: adding insulation and soundproofing to doors, walls, and ceilings, using ear protection, etc. Up for review. Write the type of pollution that the following cause. Number 1, smoke from industries. Number 2, agricultural chemicals. Number 3, treating soil with chemical fertilizers. Number 4, unpleasant sounds from traffic. Take a look. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution.